Hi guys, hi my lovelies, you're welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, you're welcome. My name is Oti. I create content on sewing tutorials and headwear. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much. I really appreciate you. In today's video, I'll be showing you guys on how I made this beautiful classy bubu. It is very easy to make. Within 2 hours, it should be done with the cutting and sewing. That is how easy it is. If you are yet to subscribe to my channel, please hit the red button down below to subscribe to my channel. I have lovely, beautiful bubu tutorials coming up, and I bet you don't want to miss it. So without further ado, let's move right to the tutorial. This fabric was gifted to me in church by a member that we belong to the same department. I measured it. It measures 3.5 yards by 60 inches. 3.5 yards by 60 inches. So I'm going to fold it into 4 as usual. I measured neck width 3 inches. Neck depth for the back 1 inch. Then I connect the neckline. Neck depth for the front 9 inches. You can use any neck depth measurement of your choice. Then with my straight ruler, I connect the neckline. From my center back to the sleeve, I make use of the total length of the fabric, which is 27 inches. Then I measured sleeve opening 20 inches. Sleeve opening 20 inches. From the 20 inches, I came in about 3 inches. Then for the wideness, for the body, the wideness, I measured 17 inches. I connect with a slight curve from the 3 inches to join the 17 inches. Next is to cut it out. I cut the back neckline first. The sleeve opening, then the body. After that, I'm going to open it up and arrange it properly to cut the front neckline. This style does not have a shoulder seam. Next is to cut the front neckline. The next thing to do, I'm going to use a bias tape to pipe the neckline. After that, I'm going to hem the sleeve opening on both sides. Then I will show us the next step to take. I have piped the neckline with a bias tape, and I've also hemmed the sleeve opening, as you can see. After that, I gave it a good press. Turn your fabric to the wrong side. From the center front, mark a straight line till you get to the hem line, but make sure to stop 2 inches before the hem line. This mark is going to serve as a guide when I am sewing elastic to the center front to form gathers. This mark is also going to serve as a guide in order to sew the elastic on a straight line. Next, place your elastic on the line, then stitch it down. As you sew, make sure to stretch the elastic. The stretching of the elastic is what will form the gathers in front. I've sewn it. This is how it looks. For the measurement of the elastic, I measured 42 inches, but I later cut off the excess. I realized that the 42 inches was too much, so I cut off the excess elastic. So you can measure about 35 inches for yours. This is how it looks on the wrong side. As you can see, I stopped the sewing of the elastic 2 inches before the hem. 2 inches before the hem line. The final step is to fold the fabric into 2. I'm going to sew the sides and hem the lower part and give it a good press. If you have watched until this moment and if you have not liked the video, please click the like button, and if you are yet to subscribe to my channel, also hit the red button down below to subscribe to my channel. With the remaining pieces, I'm going to use it to form belts. This is the final look, guys. We've come to an end of today's tutorial. If you find my tutorial helpful, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below if you've not done so, because I upload weekly tutorial on my channel. Also remember to click on the notification bell so that whenever I upload a new video, you will be notified. Until I come your way next, please stay safe and remain blessed. Thanks for watching. I love you all. Bye.